Hello. This video is for high school students who already took classes at Chabot and are planning to take classes again. Start at www.chabotcollege.edu. Towards the top of the page, click on Apply. Click on the tile that says Concurrent Enrollment Student. Click on the yellow/mustard button that says Apply at CCC Apply. Click on box that says I am not a robot. If you are a Chabot student or other California Community College student, all you have to do is sign in. Enter your phone number or a personal email. Please do not use your high school email. Enter your password. If you forgot your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature. We forgot our password, so we'll use the feature. If you choose the email option, a one-time validation code will be sent to your email. Enter that validation code here. Create a new password that contains all the necessary elements. Start a new application. Please select correct term and year for the semester you plan to take a class. Select your education goal. Choose a major. If you are unsure, select something close to what you'd like to major in or something you are interested in. Since you've done an application before, you will only have to fill in certain parts of the Chabot application. If you do not know your social security number or do not have one, you can decline. For this tutorial, we will not show the whole application and only important parts. For college enrollment status, choose enrolling in high school or lower grade and college at the same time. For the high school transcript question, select the last grade you completed. Answer questions about your math and English courses you completed and GPA. For college education, select No degree. Again, we'll skip some of the sections for the sake of time. Be sure to fill out and choose options that represent your life situation. Since you are still in high school, select No to the financial assistance questions. You can say no to any programs. You do not have to select any programs since you are still in high school. After the supplemental and survey questions, enter your phone number to get texts or calls if anything important or emergencies happen on campus. Be sure to review your application to make sure there are no errors. Choose a consent option. Be sure to read the information. When you are ready, check the boxes to sign off on your application. When you are ready, submit your application. You will see a confirmation page. Take a picture on your phone or write down the information, as you may need this information for your dual enrollment or concurrent enrollment forms. Check your email. Please note your CCC ID. Make sure the term listed is the correct term you are planning to take a class. Follow the steps in this email. After 1 to 2 days, you will receive another email with your Chabot ID number, also known as your W number. You may already have this number because you applied before. Make sure to write this number or save it somewhere. You will enter this number on your concurrent enrollment form. You do not have to do the steps on this email. Congrats on completing the Chabot application. Next step is to work on your concurrent enrollment or dual enrollment form.